Secretary is Azucena Kenny.
Yes.
She's just coming.
Fast them.
And Treasurer is Jocelyn Valencia, our Treasurer. From 290, she's also our Treasurer. And Susie was also our Secretary. The 290 Upper Centennial, one friend of mine consulted me. She has $500,000 to invest. But so I kept looking, and this was like conditionally sold for a month, and there was financing. So when I called the agent, I said, can I check on the property? So on that day when we visited, he told me the financing fell off. Wow, it was a very big rejoice. So I right away put an offer, and then they said, oh, okay. I didn't sleep that night when I put the offer. I know this is a gold mine.
I mean, doing construction is a big money, right? We're gonna raise a lot of money on that. But obviously, I don't want to say numbers on that one. But you know,
But just,
it's a different ball game when
Yeah,
you do the
because
constructions.
Just an
We
idea.
need an investor to, to put.
Just an idea, architect, because
No,
It's
Cypher
strong.
approved. Cypher approved. In the best scenario, you can make 8 million. Usually, rule of thumb, once you get approved, is 3 times whatever we invest in a good market. So let's say we invest 2 million, then we should get 6 million. So that's without construction. Construction is different. It's more money on construction.
Oh, right.
You get more money. So we'll discuss once we reach that stage. Let's say we get separate approval, then we'll discuss it. Right? Eh, kung gusto niya nang kunin yung pera niyo, then napag-hati na natin.